have been struggling in spelling, because of which my PTE listening and writing is always slow. I'm not getting a proper guidance as to how to improve this so-called difficult spellings. I learn them, I forget. I learn them, I forget. But if you belong to this category, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch the video till the end. I'm gonna come up with 30 most important spellings that one needs to know if you have to score 65 or 79 plus. Watch till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul here from Skills PTE Academic. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. Well, today I'm back with yet another video. The video is about spellings. Previously I made this video on 90 spellings for 90. The video is still booming. A lot of people texted me personally as well as in the comment section to make a new video on the spelling. So here I am making another video, a shorter version of the previous one. Instead of coming up with 90 spellings, I've come up with 30 but most important spellings that have come in the exam multiple times in 2023. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly start with it. How the video goes is, I'm going to come up with first 10 spellings, the most important ones. I'm going to dictate them. You have to write down the spellings at your end. If you don't have the pen or the pencil in hand, pause the video, get the pen or the pencil, and then resume the video. We're going to start with it. I got 30 spellings. If you want 79 plus, I would expect you to score at least 27 out of 30. No, Nakul, I just need 65 plus, and at least I would expect you to score 22 and above for a 30. So let's see how many of you can get 22 or 27, and do leave a comment. Do leave a comment as to how much marks you got. Let's start with the very first spelling. The very first spelling I've got is pursuit. Pursuit. Pursuit of happiness. The movie is there, same word. Pursuit. The very second spelling is biosphere. Biosphere. The third one is pursue. I want to pursue my MBA next year. Pursue. Persuade. Persuade. I had to persuade my parents to let me go to the picnic. Persuade. Anonymous. Fifth is anonymous. Sixth is grateful. I'm so grateful for the work you did for me. Grateful. Seventh one, sarcastic. Sarcastic. He was quite sarcastic when he made that remark. Sarcastic. Eighth one, foreman. Foreman. This is a position of a person in a company. Foreman. Foreman. Ninth one, scenario. Scenario. And the 10th one, picnic. Picnic. Alright, so let me just share my screen and show you the answers. The very first one is pursuit. Very simple. See here, pursuit is not PE. People end up writing PE, and by the way, most of the people have problems in AEIOU. How do I fix it? Very simple. You can go with mnemonics or abbreviations. What is mnemonic? Mnemonic is a sign. You remember it because of a sign. What is the sign here? Pursue. If you remember, pursuit means you are in pursuit of something. You're following something. You're following, let's say, pre-university education. Pre-university is PU, so pursuit is PU. Same way, pursue also PU. Pursue a PUC. I want to pursue a pre-university education. But if you say persuade means to make someone agree. Persuade a person. Pay more attention to the golden tips. Persuade a person. So PE, PE. Persuade a pre-university, PU, PU. This way you can remember whether E has to come or U has to come. Second one, biosphere, P, S, P. H is there. People forget this H. And then pursue, pursuit, persuade, all come under the same category, but persuade as PE, pursue as PU, and then anonymous, anonymous, and Y will come. Grateful, people end up writing GREATFUL, which is wrong. Hi Nakul, thanks for the videos in YouTube. I'm very grateful for you. Spelling will be wrong for the word grateful. Sarcastic. SARCASGIC. Foreman, FOR. E is there, people miss this. E scenario, SEN. SCENE is seen. This E you have to make it to A and RIO. Picnic doesn't have K in it, picnic has C in it. Keep a track of the mistakes you have done. I hope many would have got 10 out of 10 here. Do leave a comment in the comment section. And also to tell you, in our course, every day 3 p.m. Indian time, we will have a spelling test, which actually helps all our registered students. So anytime you need the course, it's an online paid course, you can text us in the WhatsApp. We will be happy to guide you and to tell you more about it. So far we have 235 tests, each test with 30 marks. So far more than 6,500 spellings covered, and the previous ones also you get if you enroll. So any point of time, if you want the right guidance, if you want the shortcuts to improve, then you can reach us out. We will be happy to guide you. Let's quickly go to the set number 2. Again, I am gonna speak the 10 words. So let's see how many of you can get full marks there. 11th spelling is pious. Pious. 12th one is vulgar. 13th one is recession. 14th is equilibrium. 15th, correlation. 16th, discrepancy. 17th, ambiguity. 18th one, ambiguous. 19th one, continuous. It is a continuous process. I need an adjective, not a verb. Continuous. And the 20th one, pillow. Alright, so let me just share my screen and help you understand how many mistakes we've done. Pious is P-I-O, not P-O-I. P-I-O-U-S. Vulgar is not G-E, it is G-A. Recession. R-E-C-S-S will come. See, the science behind learning spelling is simple. If you are trying to memorize, E has to come, S has to come. Within 5 seconds, you're going to forget, yes or no. The idea is very simple. Don't try to memorize, try to store it as a picture. We call it as photographic memory. If you see a picture of an elephant, you're going to store that particular picture. If you see an elephant, you get a picture of an elephant, isn't it? If you see a lion, you get a picture of a lion. If you see recession, you should get the picture, not in terms of R is there, E is there, no. Just the picture, R-E-C-E-S-S-I-O-N. If I close my eyes, I'm seeing that R-E-C-E-S-S-I-O-N. The idea is very simple. It's reading skills. When you read books, a bit more consciously when you read. Exact picture of the word is stored. So store them properly, spelling problem fixed. This people don't try to do, they try to memorize the spellings and they forget. Equilibrium, equal, E-Q-U will come. Equilibrium, B-R-I-U-M. Correlation, double R will come. Discrepancy, S-C-R-E-P-A. People end up writing P-E or S-C-R-A. Be very careful. Some end up writing D-E. Do comment how many of you wrote DE. Ambiguity, A-M-B-I-G-U-I will come, and see here ambiguous continuous has U-O-U-S. People miss this U and forget that they have completely messed up spelling, and they think, hey, my spellings were all perfect. I don't understand why my marks are low. This exam is a scam. You have made mistakes, boss. U-O-U-S, U-O-S continuous. Pillow is P-I-L-L-O-W. Keep a track of the mistakes that you have done. So now we will move on to the third set. The very first word of the third set is escalator. Prosperity. Annual. 23rd is annual. 24th, brilliance. Brilliance. 25th, budget. Budget. That happens once a year. Financial budget. Budget. 26, extremity. Extremity. And 24th is not brilliant, it is brilliance. Noun will come, and then budget, and then extremity. 27th, photographer. Photographer. 28th, frontier. Frontier. 29th, after frontier, 29th, vacuum. Vacuum. 30th, the last word for today, 12th. 12th. All right, I'm back. The very first word for the third set is escalated. ESCALATOR. Welcome. Prosperity. People miss this E or people miss this O and write A here, A here. Be very careful. Annual is double N. Brilliance is double LIANCE. People miss this double L or people miss this I. Trust me on this. I've been seeing students since 5.5 years. Budget, people miss this D, it is BUDGET. Extremity, MI, people end up writing ME. Photographer, PHER, people may write PHAR. PH, people may forget and write FO, that's also there. Frontier, TIER, people write TIAR or TIOR. Vacuum, hold on boss, hold on. Many would have thought, hey, perfect. No, it is VACW, not a double C. Be very careful. 12th, wait, it is FTH, not VETH. So vacuum and 12th are the most confusing words the people always fall for. So total 30. May I request you to please comment in the comment section as to how much marks you have got, and also leave a comment if you want me to come up with this something like this series on every week basis, weekly 1 or 2 videos on spelling knuckles. Please, I need it. Do comment in the comment section. We promise we come back at the earliest, and anytime you need an online assistance, don't forget to text us in the WhatsApp. On an everyday basis, people are getting 79 plus. Don't delay your success. With this, we will park it here. And before that, if you have forgotten to watch my previous latest video on essay writing, the shocking news with respect to the old template and the new template, do check here. Don't forget, you may have a problem there because of which your writing scores are always low. With this, I'll park it here. This is Knuckle signing off from Skills PT Academic. Very soon, I will be back. Till then, take care. Don't forget to subscribe Skills PT Academic. Bye-bye.